Hello, everyone. In today's trainer tip, we are going to talk about the no contact report within Redtail. Now, this is one of my favorite reports to use within Redtail because it looks at three different things. It looks at our contacts, our activities, and our notes. To access this report, we are going to go to our reports over on the left hand side of the CRM. And we are going to scroll down to our contact reports. And within our contact reports, we are going to have our no contact report. And with the no contact report in Redtail, one of the things I really like to use it for is to see who we haven't met with in the past year. So I can go up to this filter button here up at the top right. And let's say I want to look at all my contacts who have an active status, a status of active client, I should say, and they haven't had a note or activity that mentions client review within their category. So I'm going to select client review under our note categories and client review under my activity categories. And I'm going to select 365 days here. So once I have that 365 days selected, what it's looking for within this report is active clients who have not had a note that mentions client review as the category or completed activity that mentions that category of client review within the last 365 days. You can also choose to just narrow this down to heads of household as well. But in this case, we're going to leave that box unchecked and we are going to apply our filter. And what this will do is it will bring up those contacts who have not had an activity or note within the last 365 days that mentions client review as the category. And with these results, I can export them to a CSV file, I can export them to a PDF, as well as send these contacts to the advanced search if I wanted to go and add an activity to schedule a review meeting, for example. But that is how you can run the no contact report within Redtail and how you can use it to figure out who hasn't had review meetings yet this year. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Otherwise, we hope you have a great rest of your day.